Good morning students. In this video lecture we would see a very important topic, finding the components of the vector. Finding components of the vector. Components of vectors, or we can say resolution of the vector, or resolution of the vectors. Resolution of vectors. Let's understand. Suppose we have a vector. Let's say this is vector A, and we want to find the component of this vector. Component means here, students, that this vector is made up of another vectors. This is the resultant of another vectors. So we want to find the components to which it is made up of. For that, from there, suppose we want to find the horizontal and vertical component. If it is a 2D vector, we can say this is the horizontal axis and this is the vertical axis, and we can say x-axis and this is the y-axis. Suppose this vector is making an angle theta. Suppose this vector is making an angle theta with respect to the x-axis. Now, what we have to do? Very important point. You have to just draw a perpendicular. You have to just draw a perpendicular from the head of the vector on the line to which you want to find the component. Suppose we want to find the component of this vector along the x-axis, along the y-axis. So we have to draw the perpendicular from the head of the vector on the x-axis and y-axis. So draw the perpendicular from here, and the perpendicular meet the x-axis at a point, and the vector, very important, and the vector starting from the tail of the vector and finally pointing towards the x-axis, and the length of the vector is from the tail and the point where the perpendicular touches the x-axis. So this is the magnitude of this vector and this is the direction along the x-axis. So this vector is the component of this vector along the x-axis. Now, in the same way, when we want to find the component of the vector A in the direction of y-axis, we have to draw perpendicular 90 here, and suppose this is a point. So from the tail again, from the tail of this vector, we would draw a vector up to the point where the perpendicular has drawn, and this vector is the component of this vector along the y-axis. So there are two components. There may be three components if this vector is 3D x, y, z. So this component is, we can say, named as ax vector. Ax vector, and this component we can name as ay vector. And if this is ay vector, what is this vector? What is this vector? This is also ay, because both are equal in direction and equal in magnitude, so they are same. So we can say this is also ay vector. And from the concept of vector concept, from here we are moving in this direction along the vector. From here again we are moving along the vector direction. It means sum of these two vectors is equal to this vector. So we can write vector A equal to ax vector plus ay vector. It means this vector is addition of these two vectors, or resultant of these two vectors. So they are the components of this vector A. And if you want to find the magnitude of these vectors, if you want to find the magnitude of these vectors ax and ay, if we have known vector A is known, means the direction and the magnitude both are known. So ax, magnitude of ax means ax from this triangle trigonometry based upon hypotenuse. For this angle, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. base upon hypotenuse. Base is AX and this is A. Is what? Cos theta. So what is AX? AX equal to A cos theta. Very important. This is the magnitude of this component of the vector in the direction along the x-axis. And what about AY? AY upon A. Because A is known, AY unknown. AY upon A is what? Sin theta. So what is AY? A sin theta. AY is A sin theta. If we add the direction in both, they become the vector. AX is in this direction, which direction? Along the positive x-axis. And what is the unit vector? Direction is added because by the multiplied by the unit vectors. You have keep your mind this concept. The direction of any vector is denoted by the unit vector. And what is the unit vector along positive x-axis? I have told you already. This is I cap. And for the y-axis, positive x-axis, it is j cap. So just multiply by I cap. So it would be AX vector equal to magnitude of AX and I cap. And what is AX cap? It is A cos theta I cap. Similarly, AY cap. AY vector equal to AY magnitude and this is direction j cap. AY is A sin theta j. You can put this value here. So you can write as A cos theta I cap plus A sin theta j. So this is vector A cos theta I cap plus A sin theta j. You have written this vector into the component of these vectors. This is in the x direction positive x direction. This is in the positive y direction. And if you want to find the magnitude of this mod of A, you can use this triangle. Mod of this vector is from Pythagoras theorem. This square plus this square root. So it is under root of what is this length A cos theta. What is this length? A sin theta. A cos theta, A sin theta. So it is A cos square theta whole square plus A sin theta whole square root. So finally, mod of A is A is what? Under root of A square cos square theta plus A square sin square theta. Take A square common, sin square theta cos square theta 1. So A is what? A is finally under root of A square. And what is this? This is A. So it means magnitude of vector A from there is same. So it is proved that we have resolved the vector A into its component. How we would resolve any vector into its component? By drawing the perpendicular into the particular direction and joining the tape to this point where the perpendicular is drawn. That vector is the vector component of that vector in that particular direction. Very important concept, because whenever you deal with the vector quantity, you have to face this component problem. So you have learned this concept, and we have also another way by which we can find the component. Suppose a vector A is written like this: 2y plus 3j minus 2k. This is the vector. And if you want to find the component of vector A along the positive x direction, if you want to find the component of vector A along the positive x direction, we have another way. Just multiply that vector by the unit vector of that particular direction. What is the unit vector of plus x direction? It is I cap. Just multiply, it is dot, because this is I cap. Unit vector is also a vector, this is also a vector, and we have to take dot, because vectors are either dot multiply or cross. So take dot. 2y plus 3j minus 2k dot I. And I have already told you I dot I is 1 and I dot k is 0, because angle between I is 90 and cos 90 is 0. So it is 2. I dot I is equal this is 2. So it is another way you can find the component of a vector along a particular direction just by multiply by the unit vector of that particular direction. Note these points very important. These points are very important. So this is the topic which we have left for the vector. We have talked cross product, dot product, and all the things we have cleared. We have derived the resultant vector formula r equal to a square plus b square 2ab cos theta, and the direction tan theta, tan alpha also, b sin theta upon a plus b cos theta, and we have seen how the vectors are equal, how the vectors can be added graphically. So let's do with some numerical problem in the